What's up, everybody, and welcome back. We got another video for you. Today is going to be another Topps Finest opening, but we are going to crack this in case. Okay, guys, so you see it here, sealed case, done, cracked, all the way across the top. Oh, of course, come on. Ooh, look at that, boys. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. 8 boxes per case. Surprised I didn't put anything else. Which one should we grab, guys? Let's grab this one right here. I'll take this out of the picture. We're just gonna crack one box today. So last video, we opened this. We got a Cal Raleigh and Riley Adams non-numbered auto. So pretty bad comparative to the first box we opened. We're hoping to get something numbered at least. So we didn't get any J-Rod base, which is strange because the first box we had like 3 Wander Francos and 3 O'Neill Cruzes, and then the second box we got 2 Bobby Witts and 2 Peñas. It's almost like they're splitting up the good rookies like evenly in each pack, except for if you did watch the last video of the Finest, the quality control was terrible in that box. We literally, both boxes had the same exact base cards. The same exact base cards. The only thing that was different was one of the numbered cards was different. And that was it. So you typically get about 4 numbered cards per master box. So basically 2 numbered cards per box, 1 auto per box. So yeah, so far, you know, the best one we've pulled is the Mackenzie Gore to 25. So we're hoping to do a little bit better than that. Let me open this up. You can see the odds on the side. And they're pretty cool cards. The checklist is not too big, so you know you're hoping that it's going to be a little easier to find some of these rookies. But honestly, it's been pretty tough. I don't think I pulled one. How many cards are in here? I think it's... Shit, I don't even know. It's like 32 or something like that. Doesn't even say on the box. Oh, here we go. 5 cards per pack. 6 packs. Okay, so you get basically 60 cards. So I've opened 120 of these cards, and I haven't had one Julio Rodriguez. So pretty bad odds. I don't know. Maybe my boxes were bad, but I got the first 2 boxes on blowout cards, and then I ordered this case off of Topps. So I'm hoping the case is just going to have a lot better luck, just because it's my own case. Nobody had time to freaking crack into it. Maybe it'll do better for us. Okay, so far, not too great. Brayu. Oh! Right away. Andrew Jones. Finest moments. Oh, wow. I did not expect that. That's pretty cool. This one is not numbered, unfortunately. Southpaw. Watch the only certain run scored double. That is pretty cool. Tells you kind of like the moment that they're describing here. Andrew Jones on card. Auto. Veteran. Okay. I guess I don't really know the checklist too well, so that was a surprise. First pack on the left, on the right side. Roansy Contreras on the back. And we got an auto already. On card, not numbered, so we're hoping the next one's going to be numbered and possibly a rookie. Maybe better. I've had a lot of these same cards, though. The Yelich is in almost every single pack. Trey Turner, Blackman, Rafael Devers. Andrew Jones, huh? All right, now we should be looking for a few more numbered cards. Ramos. Here we go. We have pulled one of these already. Here's a Lindor numbered. Seiya Suzuki, Ke'Bryan Hayes. That one is numbered 41 of 250 on the Lindor. So we'll sleeve that one up. Throw that there. We'll sleeve up the O'Neal Cruz, one of my favorites. Okay. Then Seiya Suzuki, it's another pretty good one. We'll sleeve that one up. There we go. On the good rookies. Okay, what do we got here? Finest. Juan Soto, Kevin Smith, C.J. Abrams, finest rookies. And then a C.J. Abrams right behind it. Nick Allen. Okay. Pete Alonso, Nolan Arenado, Vidal Pruhan on the rookie refractor. That's not terribly bad there. Chris Bryant and George Springer. Okay. Got some color in here. Jordan Alvarez. Joey Votto, Garrett Cole, Shane Baz. Put the Cole over there. All right, we got blue. Another McCutchen. This one's actually at a 150, so that's not terrible. It's one of the lower numbered parallels you can get. We'll sleeve this one up. The last box, we got a purple Andrew McCutchen. I think it was like at a 250 or something like that. So not a lot of variation, between these cards. I've seen a lot of the same cards. It's like they make the J-Rod like a short print, the base or something. It's ridiculous. You can't even pull them out of here. Got something colored, so we'll go from the back. Manny Machado, Max Scherzer, Clayton Kershaw. See what I'm saying? You just do not get a variety. Just all the same cards. It's weird. It looks like a small checklist because you see the same cards, and then when it comes down to the autos and the other ones, it's like a massive checklist. It's like very strange. Jazz Chisholm. That's something. Bobby Witt. Paul Goldschmidt. That's a new one. I have not pulled Paul Goldschmidt out here. Neither have I pulled a Freddie Freeman, so there's a little bit of variety. Mookie Betts and Jazz Chisholm on that. I thought there was something numbered in there. I guess not. It was just the Freddie Freeman. All right, we're looking for the autograph. I believe it might be in here. Let's see what we got, guys. Please be numbered. Okay. Nothing in here. Ketel Marte, Eloy Jimenez, MJ Melendez, and a Jeremy Pena, the rookie. For some reason, I think it's going to be in this pack. It's been either in the middle or the beginning of every box. So we're going to put that one on the back. Maybe we can pick it right. Andrew Jones, though, on the first auto. Interesting. Okay, here we go. Josh Lau, the rookie. Josiah Gray, rookie. Refractor. Brandon Marsh. And Cedric Mullins and Luis Robert. Okay. Let's see what we can get out of here, guys. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I've never seen this before. We got a backwards card. Mike Trout. Jose Ramirez. Jarren Duran. And Ronald Acuna Jr. Okay, guys, this is a backwards card. I've never seen this before. I haven't opened too many, though, so... FACA? Huh, is this not numbered? Ah. Why was it backwards? Okay, C.J. Abrams on the refractor auto. That is so weird. Why would they put that backwards? It's not numbered. I do not get that whatsoever. They make it think I'm pulling like a super refractor or something. That is the first one to be turned backwards in any of the boxes I've had. All right, let's hope. Yep, we did get a numbered card in here, so that's good because I wasn't seeing any of that. There's no Neil Cruz. Jarren Duran, Aura of Excellence. Salvador Perez. Corbin Burns. Here's a green. Elehuris Montero. The fuck is that? At a 99, it's the lowest card we've had in a while. And of course, it's a no-named. Let's see, what is he? Batting 278. 28 home runs. That's not bad. I mean, if you're playing Colorado, you'd be hoping to hit, you know, a few more home runs with that altitude and everything out there. So, C.J. Abrams and a Andrew Jones. Those are the two autos. I guess it's a little bit better. I'm just surprised that none of these are numbered. They should be putting a numbered auto in every box, but I guess that's not how it works. So, not too bad. Take it for what it is. We got 7 more boxes to open, so hopefully we can get something good out of those. Some sort of J-Rod refractor or something. It's unbelievably hard to pull that guy's name out of here. You just do not see him in here. So, good job, Topps. Make him so elusive. Thank you for that. All right, well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.